Let me ask you a brutal question. Do you feel like you are always the one waiting? You wait for their text. You wait for their validation. You wait for them to finally choose you. You put your self-respect on the shelf just to keep them comfortable. But what do you get in return? Silence, disrespect, and the feeling of being an option. Listen to me carefully. It is not your fault that you have a good heart, but it is your fault that you have made yourself cheap. Yes, I said cheap. The world operates on a very simple economic law: supply and demand. Air is free, so nobody appreciates it until it's gone. Diamonds are rare, so people kill for them. Right now, you are acting like air, available, everywhere, free. Today, I am going to give you a psychological weapon. If you use this correctly, the dynamic flips instantly. The person ignoring you today will be begging for your attention tomorrow. This is not a game. This is the power of walking away. Forget Plan B. We are betting everything on Plan A, becoming so valuable that losing you becomes their biggest regret. Human psychology is flawed. We do not want what we already have. We want what is slipping through our fingers. Think about it. When you chase someone, when you double text, when you ask, "Is everything okay?" what are you actually doing? You are broadcasting a signal, and that signal says, "I have no other options. You are my only source of happiness." When you make someone your celebrity, you automatically become their fan. And fans do not get respect. They only get pity. You need to manufacture scarcity. This isn't manipulation. This is about correcting your market value. The moment you suddenly stop being available, an alarm bell goes off in their brain. In psychology, we call this loss aversion. People are terrified of losing something valuable. But right now, they aren't scared of losing you. Why? Because you are sitting on their doorstep like a loyal puppy waiting to be let in. You have to stop being the puppy. You need to become the wolf. The wolf that disappears into the forest. And once he's gone, nobody knows if he is ever coming back. So, how do you execute this? Do you block them? Do you start an argument? Do you send a long paragraph explaining your feelings? No. Weak people make noise. Strong people go silent. Radio silence. The biggest mistake you are making is announcing your departure. "I'm leaving. I'm done with you." That is not a departure. That is a plea for attention. That is you begging them to stop you. True power is becoming a ghost. Imagine you listen to a radio station every day. It's always there, background noise. But one day, static, dead air. What do? You check the dial. You hit the device. You pay attention. Why? Because the pattern was broken. You need to be that dead air. Stop replying to the breadcrumbs. Stop watching their stories. Stop asking mutual friends about them. Stop explaining yourself. Disappear completely. When you do this, you create a vacuum in their mind. And the human brain hates a vacuum. It will rush to fill that empty space with questions. Did he find someone else? Is he over me? Did I mess up? Up until now, you were obsessing over them. Now, they are obsessing over you. The game has flipped. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if they don't come back? That fear right there? That is exactly why you are losing. You need to kill the hope that they will return. Walking away is not a negotiation tactic. You don't walk away to get a reaction. You walk away because your self-respect is more important than your feelings. You have to place your dignity above your desire. A relationship without respect is not a relationship. It is slavery, and you are volunteering for it. When you walk with the mindset of, "I do not need you," your body language changes. Your energy shifts. People, especially the ones who rejected you, can smell desperation. But they can also smell abundance. The abundance mindset says, "I have options. If not you, then someone better. If no one else, then I am enough." Remember this truth. Nobody wants to be with a person who doesn't even want to be with themselves. Now comes the best part. When you disappear, what do you do with that time? Do you sit in the dark and cry? If you do that, you lose. The best revenge is not keying their car or sending angry texts. The best revenge is a massive upgrade. Level up. Go to the gym and take your anger out on the iron. Read psychology. Sharpen your mind. Focus on your money. Build your empire. When that person sees you 6 months from now, they shouldn't recognize you. They should look at you and think, "Is that the same person who was begging for my time?" When they see you happy, thriving, fit, and making money without them, it destroys their ego. They cannot digest the fact that you are better off without them. Your success is the loudest answer you can ever give. So, you have 2 choices today. Choice 1. Keep doing what you are doing. Keep checking your phone. Keep begging. Keep being an option. Stay a spectator in your own life. Or, choice 2. Walk away. Close the door. Lock it. And throw away the key. It won't be easy. The first few days will hurt. You will want to break. But you must hold the line. Because the day you learn to be happy in your own solitude, you become invincible. If you are ready to stop being a doormat and start being respected, hit that subscribe button for the subconscious lens. We don't do sugar-coated advice here. We do brutal psychology that actually works. I want you to leave a comment below. Write this affirmation: I am walking away. Let the world know you are done playing games. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, disappear and get to work.